So this is a new puzzle that we received from UAH. It's a dog puzzle toy. And Rocky is working on getting the treats out right now. And Sylvie's going to come over and try and help too. Sylvie hadn't figured it out. Rocky's figuring it out. I think Rocky may have got most of them out already. Let's see. Oh, Sylvie got one. Oh, there Rocky got one. There should be one more, I think. Come on, figure out that last one. But it's a cool little puzzle they sent. So let's see, is Rocky gonna figure out this last one? Oops. Come on, Rocky, did you figure out the last one? Let's see. Nope, you didn't. But I just showed it to you, so you figured it out. UAH also sent us a pet waterer. It's an automatic pet waterer. So there's a filter that goes inside the canister. You have to charge it with a USB. And Sylvie, oops, first time trying to use it, kind of startled her. Come here, Rocky. You want to try it? May not be thirsty. Come here, Rock. Come here. Well, it seems to work pretty well. Dogs just aren't thirsty at the moment. Sylvie's going to check it out again. Oop. Guess that's all. She's more interested in the puzzle that has no treats in it. Well, the links will be in the description, and there'll be a discount code for all who want to order. Thanks for watching.